sucking me off, but not sucking me off, no, wrong word, terminology. It's probably the worst parking effect I've ever done. Indicate, dickhead. Look like an absolute knobend. Dickhead. 66! Recorded 66! This is mental! Not gonna lie, a little bit of weed just come out then. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are well. Now, don't laugh, but I may have had a fight with a set of hair clippers, and obviously they won. So I normally cut my own hair, have done for a while now, and it normally goes fine. This particular day it didn't go so well, and well, this is a result. I had no choice but to shave it all off. I absolutely hate it, but it's hair, it will grow back, hopefully. But for now, I'm sort of kind of bald. But anyway, this video is not about me and my bald head. This video is about the monkey and the sound of the exhaust of the monkey on a run. On the last video, I said to you that I would do a video when the weather's decent. The weather is now decent. Unfortunately, I am at work tonight, but that isn't going to stop me making a video. So what I've decided to do is take the monkey to work. Now, just so you're aware, it takes me roughly an hour to get to work in the car, maybe a little bit quicker than that, but probably gonna take me quite a lot longer on this. So it should give me plenty of time to get some footage for you, some sounds, and have a little bit of a chat to you what I think about the bike so far. Obviously, this isn't gonna be a review video of the monkey, it's just gonna be what I'm thinking about it so far, how I'm liking the exhaust. Hopefully you'll be able to hear the exhaust. I mean, it's pretty loud. Yeah, I'm proper excited. Can't wait for you to hear it. I'm gonna get ready for work, and then I'll bring you back with some, hopefully, amazing noises. I'll speak to you shortly. Morning. A little bit of a GoPro issue yesterday. It decided that it wasn't going to record anything. So when I actually got to work, which I'm not at work at the moment, I've actually pulled over, but yeah, when I got to work, checked the footage, I realised I actually recorded nothing. So I was rambling to myself all the way to work. But that is a bit of a shame, because obviously I've now heard it and I've sort of enjoyed the sound of it. It's quite loud. But let's get going and you can hear it. Right, let's go. Let's open her up. Rev limiter. Yeah, boy. 57, 58. Not even in fifth gear yet. 59. I get 60 before I hit the 30. Yeah, there we go. There's a 61 hour. And there's a 30 mile an hour. It's a bit of a shame really that it didn't record yesterday, because it was actually quite a good little ride. I mean, I managed to get 65 out of the little monkey. I mean, don't get me wrong, I was behind the lorry and it was sucking me off, but not sucking me off, no, wrong word, terminology, sucking me in the slipstream of the lorry. So that was pulling me along to the point that I actually let out the throttle because I was catching him up too quickly, which I didn't think would ever happen on this. But yeah, so everyone at work absolutely love it. I think it's absolutely brilliant, and this is the whole thing about the monkey. It just looks mental. I look stupid on it, but I don't care. The amount of people that actually laugh at you when they go past in the car is it's quite good. Yeah, so I have found with the baffle out, the exhaust is extremely noisy to the point that I have to wear earplugs. So I think I've learnt a lesson here. Long journeys, baffle in. If I just put around town and just want to hear a bit of noise, then we baffle out. But yeah, long journeys, it's not great for the noise. It's a very droney noise. Bear in mind, you know, you are flat out on this thing, so yeah, it's quite loud. Right, some national work. Let's get up to speed. This is that noise. 57. 59. I'm going to slow down again. See? There's not a lot of point overtaking this traffic because I don't think I'll get past that big tractor thing before I get run over on the other side of the road, because I need lots of power and this ain't gutted. Oh, I'll get the feeling I'm going to be stuck behind this tractor for ages. Yeah, he's going the same way as me. Right, this is going to be a really boring part of the journey, so I'll come back to you, if you can hear me, after the tractor. Dispatched to the tractor. I actually overtook him in the end, and the car that was in front of me. For some reason he decided to just sit there. I don't understand why. You're in a car. If I can overtake in this, you can overtake in a car, for God's sake. I wouldn't normally come this way, to be fair, but I would normally go under bypass, but I ain't got the balls to go to bypass yet, so let's get the front because I can. The joys of a bike. No traffic. A fuel station. Good. Let's go right over here, out of the way. Boom. Sorted. It's probably the worst parking at a petrol station I've ever done, and I'm on the smallest bike I've ever been in. Put some ultimate into it, because she only deserves the best, the little monkey. That's what I'm talking about. Look, full tank of fuel, and that was 3.7 litres, £6 or £6.70. Oh, you're right. Number 8, please. Look at her. Does she look great? Oh yeah. Also put that little extra thing on it. Dee-bee-dee-bee-dee. There you go. Oh, there's a broken down car up there. That would explain all the traffic. It's a really inconvenient place to stop and break down, isn't it? I know they can't help it, but nice indication. There, at least I know where you are. Indicate, dickhead. Should I go for it? Go for it! I don't understand why people do like 45 down a 60-mile-an-hour road. What's the matter with them? How fun it would be to be caught speeding on a monkey bike. you imagine the picture you'd get. I'm not someone who likes loud noises in the morning. And I'm not gonna lie, this exhaust is actually doing my head in a little bit. Only because it's early. I love it any other time, but yeah, I think it's gonna be baffling. Long journeys. 57, 58. We're in the top gear. We're at 59, 58, 59. I am crouched down the racing position. Every little helps. Look like an absolute knob end, but oh, it's gonna slow me down. Go, go, go! I need to match 62. I did this without the lorry that it was. Yeah, boy. Oh no, 54. Come on, I need come on. 53, no. Need a bit downhill action. Downhill action, 56, 57, and we're into a 40 zone.
I think about the monkey bike then, let's have a little talk about the monkey bike, shall I? Well, I'm going to be honest, I absolutely love it. I think it's great fun. The one thing I do find though, is when you're in sort of 30 zones and 40 zones, it's really, really easy to go the speed limit, because you don't feel you're going that fast. You look down, you're actually always breaking the speed limit. So you have to like, sort of really take care of what speed you're doing. It's really, really comfortable, like unbelievably comfortable. It literally is exactly what I said when I picked it up. It's just barrels of laughs. So much fun. I will say one thing, the brakes are pretty crap. I mean, they'll stop you when you proper anchoring them on, but she laughed. Yeah, they are pretty naff, I'm going to be honest. You're probably better off putting your feet down and just sort of wedging your feet into the floor. Nationals, drop a gear and disappear. Yep, here we go. Oh my god, 58, 59, going uphill. That's going to drop to 55, that drops so quickly. 54, 53, and now at 60, and we're holding steady until this incline, which is like the smallest incline in the world. 59, there we go. See, what more do you want for little back roads like this? Round, round, round. Dickhead. 61 an hour, see? Right, get the race position. 62, 63, get a slipstream, 64, 65, oh my god! Turbo speed, 66! Recorded 66! This is mental! 67 on a monkey bike! Oh, I'm gonna slow down! That was brilliant! 67! On a monkey! Yeah, boy! I mean, don't get me wrong, I know that's probably the slipstream with this van helping a lot there, but there you go. 67, I can't believe that. I'm glad I got that on camera. Proof. Because no one will believe me. Whoa, that's not good. I was stuck on a car behind me. Oh, not gonna lie, a little bit of weed just come out then. I could just see that going over the front of my helmet, and I'd have been screwed. Try again. Drop a gear and disappear. Oh no, I'm not close enough for slipstream, and I'm going uphill. And it's slowed down. What are you slowed down for? I've got a record to beat. I have to keep with this van. Whoa, whoa! Grab on the road there, the old back end kicked out a little bit. Ah, it's ruining my fun. Oh, lots of roadkill. Here we go, here we go. Oh, come on, buddy. Play the game. The 60 just seems boring now. Right, got a bit straight bit of road coming up. Oh my god, I need to catch up with him. Too far away. Should have sat on his backside. Well, never mind. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. I know it was a little bit of a random video, but I just wanted you to come along for a journey. Listen to this awesome exhaust. It's actually doing my head in now. I got a nod! I got a nod! Someone nodded me on the monkey bike! That's probably the first time that's happened in all the bikes I've seen. Good old boy. I think that's a good time to end the video. End the video on a massive high. I got the nod. Sounds like a sexually transmitted disease, doesn't it? The nod. Anyway, on that cheery note, I shall speak to you on the next video. Catch you later.